We founded SMB Capital in 2006, and the goal from day one was to build the best proprietary trading firm on the street. We set up shop here in New York City, and the idea, both from my partner Mike Bellafiore and myself had, was we really needed to build a comprehensive training program to deal with the complexity of the markets today. Things had changed quite a bit since we began our careers, and so we'd already been trading more than a decade when we started the firm. And the idea was spend quite a bit of time and resources building up this comprehensive training program. And that's become our reputation over the years, is SMB has the most comprehensive training. And that's our background. After college, both of us went to graduate school, and we firmly believe in the skills that you can develop through education and practice. And so when traders come into the firm, and I think we have about 40 traders on our desk now, trading on-site as well as many on a remote basis around the country, and some even in other countries. They are given comprehensive training from day one, and then practical training once they begin trading our capital live. And we are also a team structure, meaning the most successful traders on our desk, who will also become good mentors and coaches, will lead teams. And by the time they become a team leader, they've been trading for 3 or 4 years. They are 7-figure traders, meaning they're making over $1 million a year. And what we're seeing from the most successful traders on our desk is not only these high levels of P&L production, but a level of consistency. And so it would be typical for the senior guys on the desk to making tens of thousands of dollars a day, but rarely to see them lose that much money in a day. And that really comes down to, from day one, the best practices and habits that we teach them to develop, as well as the trading strategies, are designed to have very high risk reward.